controversial. Guys, I wasn't gonna vlog until Rob took out.
The shirt doesn't.
Stand up in the light. We can't see you. Too much. Heaven is shining down on you right now.
See?
No. That's too much. No, you need to stand right here. Rob changed his outfit.
Yeah.
I told you Myra I would have him wear his Modelo shirt today.
There's a sink for
He
a
came
reason.
down, he was like, see? I was like, what? What is he talking about? But he got his new shirt. But he's getting ready to meal prep. The twins are working on them.
There's sinks for a reason.
Excuse, who just not talk to?
No, these I keep finding these.
Say it again?
There's sinks for a reason.
There's a sink for a reason. Who y'all telling that? Who you telling that to?
Everyone.
Soon, right now.
4 o'clock.
I'm gonna do a cook with me right now.
Am I cutting stuff?
Who is you telling their sink? Baby, you hear Jason?
No, there's not.
He's getting more braver.
No.
He's getting more braver, isn't he?
Yeah.
I think we need to cut that hair off his head.
No.
There's a sink.
I keep finding these
Then who you telling there's a sink?
People know. Are you sure?
Yeah. So I'm going to do a cook with me brown stew chicken. Someone's been asking for the recipe. So I figured I would do it today because I don't have any video. That's fine. So let's get cooking some brown stew chicken, okay? Okay guys, so you'll need chicken, of course, and I use chicken thighs, and I use the one with the skin. Sometimes I use the one without the skin. It's just easier, and it's already prepped and it's boneless. But if not, this is a cheaper option, and you just have to take the skin off and clean it yourself. Sometimes I don't even take the fat off or anything like that. I just take the skin off. So after that, you're gonna get your cutting board, and you're gonna cut it up in whatever pieces you desire, whether you want it small, medium, large, it doesn't matter. It's up to you. I was trying to decide whether or not I wanted to cut through the bones because my husband does not like the bone particle. Once it's cooked, it tends to stuck in your gum. So I was asking him whether or not he wanted it cut in smaller pieces, and he said no because he just didn't want to deal with the bone. So I'm just cutting up the pieces. You can take the fat off of it if you want. I don't, because it helps with when you go to fry it. It helps lubricate the pot. That word just cracked me up, but it helps. So I don't take it off, but you can if you want to. And after that, you're gonna put it in a bowl, and a large bowl, because you have to season it. You can season it in the pot, but I choose to season it in a bowl before I put it in the pot. And then you want to wash it. Wash it with whatever you want. Don't use soap. Don't wash your chicken with soap. Don't go say, Janice says no. After that, you're gonna get your seasoning of choice. I use garlic, onion, minced onion, seasonal, browning, cayenne pepper, parsley. I use whatever I want basically, but it's just the concept that it's gonna be brown, so you need the browning. And you can make your own browning, of course, but I'm not a professional at that, so I'm not gonna tell you to go make your own browning. But I use the Grace browning, and you can get it from any stores that sells what is it called? You can even go to a Spanish market and ask them for it, and they'll show you where it is, because usually, Jamaican food and Spanish food are always in there. And then after that, you want to make sure you what is that word? You need the seasoning in the chicken, like you mix everything together. And after that, you're going to work on your vegetable that you're going to put in. Some people call it vegetables, some people call it seasoning, but all I use is onion, green onion, we call it scallion in Jamaica, thyme, whatever you want, tomato, carrot. You can put whatever kind of vegetable you want in there. Then you throw it in the chicken and season it up together. Then you're going to get your pan, put a little bit of oil in the pan and make sure it's nice and hot. Like really hot. When you put the chicken in, it should be, you should hear, you know, not cold. You need it hot. Then once your pan is hot, you're going to go ahead and start putting your chicken in. But make sure you pick off a lot of the seasoning that you put on the top, like the onion, the scallion, and all that. Make sure you pick that off before you put it in. Some of it can go in there, but it will burn. So try to pick that off. The only reason why I put the seasoning on top is because I wanted the seasoning to be seasoned. Like I was saying before, I was rudely cut off by my phone. So I put the seasoning on the top because I want my seasoning to be seasoned with the seasoning that I seasoned the chicken with prior to putting the seasoning on the top, if that makes any sense. Don't ask me. I'm putting black pepper because I forgot about the black pepper. I didn't see it when I went to get the seasoning. So after that, you want to make sure you brown each side. Like you want it to be nice and brown. And it's the reason why it's called brown stewed chicken. So nice and crispy and brown, not burnt. Do not burn the chicken. So flip it back and forth. If you have a cover, you can cover it to make sure, you know, all that, you know, it stays moist inside and it's not drying out and crispy. You don't want crispy chicken. We're not making crispy chicken. We're making brown stewed chicken. So you flip it and make sure nothing is not sticking to the bottom. Nothing is not, you know, undercooked. Nothing is not overcooked. So you just kind of like have to baby it, basically. So you just stand there and baby it, because if you walk away, you will burn the chicken. So after you're done flipping and more flipping, I thought I was done with the flipping. I don't even know what's next after this, because it's just a lot of flipping. So keep flipping the chicken. Make sure you put the bigger pieces, like the big chunky pieces, in the center so that that can cook evenly. And don't forget about the ones that are like around the perimeter of the pot, because those will secretly burn. I don't know why. They just sit there under the radar and burn. Like, why? Okay, why? So after that, you're gonna get your seasoning that's in the bowl that you left in there. You're gonna put that on the top, and you're gonna make sure you put all the pieces in. I'm joking. You want to scrape that out and then get a wooden spoon and kind of like shove the seasoning in and around the chicken so that everything can go to the bottom and kind of like saute a little bit. And then after that, you're going to go and grab ketchup. I know it sounds weird and everything, but you're going to want to get ketchup. And a lot of people don't like using ketchup, but that's my secret to make it, you know, like really, really savory. And it's so good. That's why I've been able to keep my husband for 15 years hooked. That man can't go anywhere because of my cooking. He ain't going nowhere, baby. Nowhere. I don't care how tight your little stuff is. Mine is tighter because I've never pushed any baby out of it. So I got tight 5 kids. I gave him 5 kids a tight punani, and I can cook. So yeah, don't sleep on Janice over here. I got everything. I got it all locked down. So after that, you just pour water in there and let it simmer down, and boom, you got yourself some brown stewed chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so it's all done. Look at that. Oh, so delicious. It smells like heaven in this kitchen. Oh my word. I'm gonna plate this for my family and show you guys what it looks like on the plate. The kiddos' rice almost done. Rob, come on that pot. Come on that pot, Rob. Me catch you. Me catch. I got.
Good.
I told y'all. Rob is hooked. How many years, baby? How many years with tight pum pum and good cooking?
Good cooking, 15. Tight pum pum, I don't know. Like 2?
2 years with tight pum pum, that's it?
No, give me a napkin.
No, I'm lying. 15. 15. Can you hand her a napkin?
Okay. How was it, guys? Look
Good.
on Jordan, please. How was it, Gio?
Good.
How was it, Mama?
Good.
Good?
Need a napkin.
Good?
Kevin or chicken?
Okay, guys, so dinner's done. Everyone's fed. The husband enjoyed it, and rightfully so. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me with this Cook With Me video. Hopefully I can continue this series, and I hope you guys learn how to cook brown stew chicken tonight, and you can go ahead and hook your man or whoever the heck you want to hook. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.